Bobcat 331 specs. Engineered to provide greater strength in a lighter and smaller machine, the Bobcat 331 falls under the line of compact excavators, also called mini-excavators. The Bobcat 331 comes with a long, standard or extendable arm option. Engine. Powered by a Kubota diesel engine with 40 horsepower, the Bobcat 331 is known as a conventional tail swing machine. Hydraulics. Fitted with auxiliary hydraulics, this system delivers 15.9 gallons per minute with a system pressure of 2,600 pounds per inch. Standard equipment. A quick-talk attachment system comes standard with the Bobcat 331 Mini, along with engine shutdown and rubber tracks. Measurements. The Bobcat 331 reaches speeds of 3.2 miles per hour, has a 3.273 metric ton operating weight and a maximum digging depth of 10 feet, 2 inches. It stands 7.7 feet high and its digging force is 7,000 pounds per foot. Ground level reaches 15 feet 11.9 inches and the width of the machine is 5 feet 6 inches.